Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So this is Shraddha Vash and I welcome you all to our channel. Today I am going to explain you a new chapter of English Reader. But before starting, till now if you have not subscribed our channel St. Xavier's School Hardoi, then please like and subscribe our channel fast and hit the bell icon for latest notifications. Now let's start our topic. Our today's topic is a poem and the name of the poem is The Old Man in the Moon. But the poet of this poem is anonymous. Means we don't know that who has written this poem. Means the poet is unknown. Before moving on to the poem, tell me one thing. Do you like the moon? Yes, na? Very good. Even I also like the moon. So tell me one more thing. Anyone wants to go to the moon? Good. Then too you will enjoy this poem very much. Now, firstly I will tell you that what this poem is about. This poem is about a little boy. And the name of the boy is Frank. And the boy Frank, he goes to meet the moon. But how did he go? This thing we will discuss in this poem. Okay, so firstly we will read out this poem. Here is the poem. Say, where have you been? Frank, say, where have you been? Oh, I have been a long way. I have been to the moon. But how did you get there? And what have you seen? Oh, I went to be sure in my little balloon. And I have seen, why? I have seen the old man who lives there. And his mouth, it grew bigger the nearer I got. So I pulled off my hat, made a bow with an ear and said, Sir, you inhabit a very bright spot. And the old man, he laughed. He laughed long and loud. And he patted my cheek as he graciously said, You had better return, nor get lost in a cloud. And besides, it is time that we both were in bed. Now, I'll explain you this poem. So, first of all, see the first stanza. In this stanza, someone is asking the boy, someone means the person with whom the boy was sleeping. Like, when you are sleeping, then either you sleep with your mother or your father or your brother or your sister. No? In the same way, the boy Frank, he was also sleeping with someone. So, that person is asking to the boy that, tell me Frank, where have you been? Means, where did you go? And what all things did you see there? Then the boy replies that I went very far away. I went to the moon. And how did he go there? Do you know? He went there in his little balloon. Now come to the second stanza. In the second stanza, the boy is telling that he saw an old man who used to live there on the moon. After that, the boy is saying that the mouth of that old man, it was growing bigger and bigger when the boy was going close to him. Now, do you know what the boy has done? He made a bow with his hat and then he said to that old man that you live in a very big place and this place is very bright also. After listening this, in the third stanza, the old man laughed very loudly. He laughed very loudly and he touched the cheeks of the little boy very gently and then said to him that the little boy, now you should go back to your place. What is it? Now you should go back to your place. Otherwise, you will be lost somewhere in the clouds, because that place was very big. That's why he said that you go back or you will be lost here in the cloud. After this, do you know what had happened? After this, the little boy Frank, he realized that he was in his bed only. Means he was just dreaming. He went to the moon in his dreams only. Okay. So now this poem is finished. Now we will move to our activity. Here is the activity. See question number 1. Question number 1 is match the words with correct rhyming words. Rhyming words. I have taught you now. Rhyming words are the words which have same ending sound. Means when we pronounce that words, then at the end same sound comes. Okay. So on the basis of the poem, you have to find out correct rhyming word and match them. So first word is bean. Second word is moon. Third one is loud. And the fourth one is got. And on the other side, see the options. First one is cloud. Second one spot. Third one seen. Fourth one balloon. Now see the first one bean. What will be the rhyming word of bean? Cloud, spot, seen or balloon? Seen. Yes. Bean, seen. Very good. So students, firstly we will discuss these exercises. Then afterwards I'll show you all the correct answers. Okay. Now come to the second one. That is moon. What will be the rhyming word for moon? Cloud, spot or balloon? Balloon. Very good. Moon, balloon. Third one is loud. Now see, we have only two options, cloud and spot. So what will be the rhyming word for loud? Cloud or spot? It will be cloud. Loud, cloud. Now last one is got. And here only one option is left, that is spot. So got, spot. Clear? Now come to the second exercise. Take the correct option. First one is the name of the child is. What was the name of the child? Moon or Frank? Frank. Yes. The name of the child is Frank. Then second one is the boy says he had gone to the sky or moon? Sky? No. Moon. Yes. The boy says he had gone to the moon. Now third one is he went there in his little balloon or little car? Little balloon. Very good. He went there in his little balloon. Okay. Now see, here are all the correct answers. First one is match the words with correct rhyming words. Bean, seen. Moon, balloon. Loud, cloud. Got, spot. Second exercise, take the correct option. The name of the child is Frank. The boy says he had gone to the moon. He went there in his little balloon. So dear students, you have given many of the correct answers. Very good. So I hope this topic is clear to you. So all of you keep learning. Okay. Thank you.